Okay, we're going to have one of our more mature discussions dito sa For the Win. As everyone knows, in the United States, NBA player Jason Collins came out, meaning to say, nag-declare siya, openly saying in a magazine article that he's gay. Now, marami nagtatanong sa atin, no? In separate occasions, na paano kung may PBA player na-inspired dun sa ginawa ni Collins. At nag-decide siya na, I want to come out. I want to openly state my being gay. Now, is the PBA ready for that? Is the country ready to have a professional athlete, na sikat, to say that he's gay? Doug, what do you think?
Binigyan na ng blessing ni Commissioner Salud yan.
Oh.
If there's a gay guy daw that has the skills to play in the PBA, why not, diba? And I think, us kasi in the Philippines, it's very different from gay in the States. The stereotype of a gay here is, yung parlorista, salon, o yung mga road managers na nandyan sa...
Yung feeling babae talaga.
Oo, gano'n. Sometimes they cross-dress pa. In the States, it's different. They call it butch gay. That means this, just like me or Benji or any one of us who are guys, that they just stand firm and strong. And that's why when Jason Collins went out, he actually said, I'm gay, but if you ask anyone, I play tough. And he even said something like he even sent a guy in a stretcher, diba? And he's just proving a point na doesn't mean I'm gay. It will mean that I'm soft. I'm not like that. It's just a guy that prefers men like that, and that's
Kumbaga,
it.
He likes hard.
He like, oh.
Diba?
Oh, hindi malambot.
Actually, yung twin nga ni Jason, di ba? Twin ni...
Hindi alam.
Nagulat. Sabi niya, there's no signs whatsoever na yung brother ko is gay.
Eh, sabi mo, si Jason Collins a dirty player.
He's physical. He's the guy who fouls Shaq. Lumalaban kay Shaq yan, banging him every game. He's the one who has to play physical.
Kaya nga he's banging Shaq.
In the paint.
Unbelievable. Okay.
Okay, so Doug was talking about stereotypes na para kumbaga yung konsepto kasi natin, we need to expand our
Alam mo, sa
normal
atin,
concepts of gay.
Kawawa lang siya.
Sa tingin mo, if may PBA player na mag-out, kawawa siya.
Ma-accept ng mga players.
Kawawa
yung mga Parang nadala pa sa ukot sa kasagay. Parang nadala ako eh.
So bakit siya
lumabas na rin ako.
Bakit siya kawawa? Kanino siya makakawawa?
Sa atin na lang, pag merong finals, o kaya yung dalawang team, katulad nila,
so
kung gaano Alaskahin yung sikat na player, kawawa yan sa tao.
May point ka.
Yun ang, sa PBA, sa mga players, kay commissioner, sa lahat ng involved, okay lang.
So you think na, let's say in the locker room, walang maiilang dyan?
Meron, syempre.
Meron pa rin.
Actually, kasi yung Philippines, di ba, we're a Catholic country. Yung Catholic nga, hindi pa masyadong na-hug yung sense of being gay,
So,
di ba?
may pa problem with tolerance.
tsaka there's
acceptance.
Yeah, may society something na nagdi-dictate ng stereotype na yun. So, I guess the players, or us, we are ready, but the Philippines, no.
Actually,
but they should.
When you think about it, sa Amerika nga, napaka-liberal na nga nung pag-iisip dun. And it's still a big deal that, a professional basketball athlete umout. Charles, ano pa yung mga impediments na...
I agree with Benji. I think it would be really hard right now, especially the pressure.
The acceptance, you mean?
Yes, the acceptance. So, I don't know. I honestly feel we're not ready yet. I mean, I personally probably wouldn't have a problem, but
So nakakatakot, sipin mo, ganyan kalaki yun.
Ang daming ganun sa States.
Ay, grabe.
well, that's life.
But it's 2013, we should be able to embrace.
But I just don't know. I just picture, let's say, the players in the locker rooms making a big fuss about it or whatever.
You think they'd make a big fuss about it? Kasi teammate mo matagal
Hindi,
na.
syempre, di ba, mag-alaskahan, lalo na kung andun ako, lakas ko mga Alaska eh. Sabihin ko, di ba, Dog, ingat ka dyan. Wala maghuhubad.
Pero normal naman sa isang basketball team yung alaskahan na ganyan.
Normal. Kaya nga sinasabi ko yung
sagaran pa eh.
Pero tama siya, I would feel bad kung inalaska ka ng fans ng kabilang
for sure.
Which is actually,
they will.
They will.
no doubt.
That's very likely. That's very
yun lang.
Of course,
likely.
even in the NBA, I'm sure not everyone will accept Jason Collins as being gay.
Totoo rin yan.
Meron pa rin yan. May mga hecklers pa rin dyan magsasabi,
Oo, may mga asar pa rin.
Oo, meron pa
Okay,
rin.
but
Hindi
here's
mawawala yan.
Oh, sige, ito, palaisipan lang. The thing with Jason Collins, hindi siya superstar. He's not LeBron, he's not Kobe, he's not Carmelo Anthony. So parang in a way, pwede mo siyang medyo ignore kahit ng konti because you know he's just a bench player. Wala nga siyang team eh. Okay? What if PBA superstar? Wag na tayo magbagit ng name na kahit ano lang for argument's sake, baka ma-misinterpret pa eh. Okay? But let's say yun nga, superstar A na nagsabi na you know, wala akong pakialam. I want to be honest with the world.
Ganun pa rin.
O baka mas malala, baka
mas malala,
pa.
mas kawawa siya.
Mas kawawa pa. And that's why you are more concerned not so much parang may karapatan yung player to come out, but parang naawa ka eh. Kasi, you know, pagtitripan lang siya ng mga tao. Should we give...
But let me ask you something then. If a guy comes in as good as Mark Kagiwa and he says I'm gay, but he plays as good as Mark, are you telling me
So,
that
bakla
you
si
won't
Mark?
accept him?
Long days na nga,
Ayun
nag-gay
na ako eh.
Long days na
Sorry.
ba?
Hindi ko narinig yung umpisa.
Pero yun nga, tama ka eh.
No, if he comes in,
super galing, di ba?
Yeah. Will you deny him entry to the PBA? I don't think so.
Oo, hindi. Ang problema, anong sasabihin nung company, nung team? Papayag ba?
Bakit
Kasi
hindi?
he's endorsing their products.
Pero kasi madami pa din conservative thinkers dito
Sa
eh.
Pilipinas.
Oo eh.
Bakit? Kung let's say, sige, I'll cite an example.
Can't
Hindi player,
satisfy
but let's say,
everyone.
kunyari, like a Vice ganda. Yeah, you know, he has his own show.
Sumikat.
He's endorsing products, ganyan. Oh, di ba yun proof that we're tolerant and we're, you know...
Pero yung sinabi nga ni...
We accept him that way, the way he is. He
because-
cross-dresses that way.
okay, I
But
get
to
it.
get a
Nag-start siya sa
basketball
ganun.
player
Okay, I
that
get it.
cross-dresses,
Yeah, I get it. There's a
he
difference.
suits up his uniform, then after the dugout, he walks out in his dress. I think that's gonna be a bigger problem, diba?
Tapos paglabas, naglalagay ng boobs. Di ba? Ganun. Parang...
Saka hindi long shorts
Sama
ha.
eh.
Yun ang masama.
Short. Siya lang
Pero
ang
yun ang
short
gay
shorts,
dito
oh.
sa Pilipinas.
Yun nga eh, na sinasabi.
Not all,
I mean,
though.
not
Not
all,
all.
but I'm saying that's the majority. And that's a stereotype of the Filipino
Yeah.
gay.
And so I think I guess based on how we're discussing this, it seems like you know the country's just not ready. The sports fans
that's
in
what
the
I think.
Philippines are just not ready for it.
Yeah.
Actually, sa lahat sa tingin ko.
What do you mean sa lahat?
Sa lahat ng bansa, sa tingin ko.
Tingin mo.
Titirahin pa rin.
Meron pa rin, kahit sabihin
I'm sure.
mong gano'n sila ka-liberated. Sinabi, magkakaroon
I
pa
mean,
rin.
why would Jason say it now? Bakit hindi nung early
Yeah,
part of his
okay.
career? Just now because he's free agent, diba? He's
I think I think he came out.
On
I
the
think
way out.
just because he wanted to be out in the open. He didn't want to keep it in him.
matagal
Kasi hindi
na.
natin...
Yeah, that's right. But also, a lot of people are saying na, oh, why does
Why
he
now?
do it now? Because
Hindi natin
free agent
alam
siya
kung anong
on the way
feelings
out.
nila eh. Siguro sobrang hirap na, di ba?
Yeah.
Na talagang kailangan na nilang ilabas. Hindi
Kung
na nila
kapatid niya,
kaya.
hindi alam, yung twin brother.
Hindi talaga tinago, talagang tinago.
So
yan.
hirap na hirap siya siguro.
Okay, so I
So
guess
papalitan yung pangalan niya. Hindi
Ano?
na Jason.
Ano?
Jack. Okay.
on that note, well, sana eventually,
Binasa ko sa utak.
for maturity's sake, eventually, maging ready na tayong lahat for that kind of event.
Diba?